Hey guys, I'm Coach Jade and I'm here to take the years 3 through to 6 cricket lesson today. Okay, first off, I just want you to either go and grab a pair of socks or a tennis ball, something that you can throw, okay, or you can catch. Alright, so make sure it's nice and safe, make sure we don't get a cricket ball just in case, you know, it slips or we drop it when it's in the air. So go and grab that now and then head back and we'll head into our session. We're going to go through a quick warm-up, alright, of what we're going to do today. So, what I want to do is we're going to use this ball, okay, or pair of socks. I just want you to move it around your body. Let's get our arms moving, okay, through our legs. As quickly as you can. Quicker, quicker. Make sure we grab the ball. Make sure we grab the ball back around our waist. Good. Keep our hands always moving. Receive the ball, pass the ball. Okay, now go the other way. So we're going to change direction of the way we're passing the ball. Okay, and we're going to change direction again. Off through our legs. Alright, so by now you should have the feel of the ball or the item that you're going to use. Okay, and obviously that was just purely the purpose of our warm-up. I want you to do just a quick 30 seconds around the waist. Okay, 30 seconds around the waist, 30 seconds through the legs. Okay, and then I want 2 sets of that. Okay, so 30 seconds around the waist, 30 seconds through the legs, back around the waist, back through the legs, and then we're good to go. To our session, there's 2 elements to the session. We've got target practice, and we also have a throwing and catching part to this session as well. Okay, so make sure we focus, make sure we're listening to each coaching point. There's going to be a lot of information that comes out of this, alright, and then we'll get straight into it. So, as mentioned at the start, today's lesson is all about cricket, okay? And yes, I'm using a tennis ball, but it is based on cricket. Alright, so like, as mentioned, we are going to do some target practice to begin with. Okay, so it's going to be nice and easy, nice and steady. We're going to get lots of throws, okay, lots of precision. We're going to work a little bit on our weight of our throw and the accuracy of our throw as well. So, I'm just going to quickly move to the side. As you can see, I have 3 items behind me, okay? You can use absolutely anything inside your home as a target practice. We have a washing basket, we have a washing basket lid, and we have a hat. Okay, just to give a variation of items that we can use as a target throw as well. So, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you are trying to get this or your item inside each of these. So your first one, you should step back about 3 yards, and then we're going to give it a go. And I want you to work your way up and then work your way back down. So you start off with the first. If you get it in, then you move on. Again, if you get it in, then you move on also. Okay, and then we work our way back down. So we start with the far one, the middle, and the start. Okay, so you're going to give this a go. Okay, I'll just quickly demonstrate for you. I'll move 3 yards back. I'll use this in case it rolls off. Alright, so I'm going to throw it in the hat. It didn't really go in, so I won't give up. I'm going to try again. So now I've got that in. Bonus points. Okay. Now we're going to aim for the second one. Okay, so the second one in. And the third one. This one's a tricky one. Booyah! Okay, so we're in again. So what we're going to do, okay, is like I said, you're going to do going up and down as many times as you can. I want you to spend at least a good 5 to 10 minutes on this activity. Okay, make sure that we do not move on unless we have it right. So unless it's gone in and we have that point, we don't move on. Okay, I don't want you to give up. If it doesn't go in, then we've got to think about things. Is the weight of our pass, the weight of our throw, too much or too little? How can we do the directional side of things? Okay, we take our time, we aim, we do not rush these things. Okay, I want it to be accurate with what you're doing. Okay, and make sure that it's consistent. Don't get it in once and then don't try it again. So we go 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, and then keep going. I want at least 5 sets of this. So we start off here, up, down, that's 1 set. And then we want 5 in total, okay? So that is number 1 side of our session. Now, number 2 is going to be our throwing and catching. So for those who don't have a bouncy item, you're just going to throw it directly into the air. For those who have a bouncy item, I wanted to use a wall. It makes it a little bit trickier as it's going to backfire a little bit quicker. Okay, so throwing and catching, I'm going to use the wall for this one. Okay, and all we're going to do is we're going to throw it and catch with the other arm. Okay, so again, throw, catch, throw, catch. Okay, as much as we possibly can. Throwing and catching. I want at least 60 seconds, okay? That's one, so 60 seconds of alternate hands. Then the second 60 seconds will just be one hand. The third 60 seconds will be the other hand. Okay, so as many as you can. So once you've done all 3, you've done both hands, you've done right and you've done left, we're now going to challenge ourselves by trying to get as many catches as we can in 60 seconds. So like this, as many as we can. I want you to count your score for 60 seconds, and then I want you to make note of it, and I want you to try this 3 times. Okay, 3 times over, and then I want you to compare your scores, and every time we do it, I want you to make sure that that your score is improved. Okay, I don't want you to compare yourself to anybody else. It's just going to be you, and I want you to focus on your score, okay, and bettering yourself at this activity. Okay, I also have an added activity on. Okay, this is for the people who have a ball, okay, or even if you have socks. So if somebody is at home, I want you to grab them now and go and get them, and we're going to move on to our 3rd and final activity. Alright, so you should have your person or your mom, your dad, anybody that's at home now. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to face the wall. Okay, so you're going to stand facing the wall like this. The person behind you is going to throw the ball at the wall, and you have to react and catch it. Okay, so now we're going to test a little bit of our reaction as well. Okay, so remember, you face the wall, the person at home throws it, and we have to catch it as best as we can. Okay, so that is your challenge. Okay, or even if you have a pair of socks, maybe get your the person at home to throw it. Either way, and you have to react and catch it as fast as you possibly can. Okay guys, so make sure we give it a try, make sure we put 100% effort into it. Okay, and then I will see you next time.